welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching 3-star hotel.
In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location.
And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also.
You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of reviews is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. You should also prepare 6 in case love to enjoy this company.
Three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them and enjoy your
Share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel.